Welcome to Korean Grammar Made Easy. Today, we are taking a closer look at one of the most common challenges for Korean learners, the difference between 있는 and 이가. If you've just started learning Korean, you will probably seen both of these markers used with the nouns and maybe even wondered, wait, don't they both mean the subject? That is a very natural question. By the end of this lesson, you will know exactly when to use 있는 and when to use 이가. And you will feel much more confident making your own sentences. Let's begin with 있는. Think of 있는 as the topic marker. Its job is to set the stage. When you use 있는, you are saying, as for this thing, here's what I want to tell you. It's like spotlighting the background of your story. Now, what about 이가? 이가 is the subject marker. Its job is to show the star of the action, the doer, the main character in the sentence. Here's a simple way to remember. 있는 tells us what we are talking about. 이가 tells us who or what is actually doing the action. Let's try some examples. First, with 있는, 저는 학생이에요. As for me, I'm a student. Here, the topic is me. The focus is on what I want to say about myself. Now, with 이가, 제가 학생이에요. I am the one who is a student. Here, the subject I is emphasized. Maybe someone asked, who is the student? And you are saying I am. Let's look at another pair. 고양이는 귀여워요. Cats are cute. This is a general statement about cats in general. 고양이가 귀여워요. The cat is cute. Here, we are pointing to a specific cat, maybe the one in front of us right now. So you see, 있는 often makes a broad or general statement, while 이가 zooms in on something specific. To recap, 있는, the topic, it introduces what you are talking about, sets the scene, or gives the background. 이가, the subject, it highlights the main actor or identifies the one who does the action. If you are not sure, ask yourself, am I setting up the topic or am I pointing to the subject of the action? With practice, you will start to feel the difference naturally. That's your grammar break for today. Now you know the secret to 있는 and 이가. Try making two of your own sentences with each one. For example, 저는 학생이에요. 제가 학생이에요. Compare the feeling and see how the meaning shifts. Thank you for listening to Korean Grammar Made Easy. Come back next time for another simple tip that makes Korean grammar a little less confusing.